Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking to elevate your space with a stunning mirror corner using mirror cuttings? Let's dive into how you can achieve a chic and sophistication look. First, gather your materials. You will need various sizes of mirror cutting adhesive and a label. The key here is to choose mirrors that complement each other in shape and size for a cohesive designs. Next, prepare your corner and clean the wall surface thoroughly to ensure the adhesive sticker well. And visualize your layout from before you're starting sticking the mirrors. This step is crucial. And lay the cutting on the floor first to experiment with different arrangement. Think about the geometrical pattern or a cascading effect for adding play. Once you are happy with your designs, start from the bottom and work your way up or from one side to the other. Apply adhesive to the back of the mirror piece and press it firmly against the wall. And use a level to ensure each piece is straight as you go along. This will prevent any wonky placement that could run the aesthetics. So guys, now let's talk about lightning. A well lit corner enhance the reflective quality of your mirrors. Consider adding LED strip light or a stylish lamp nearby to create a warm ambience. Finally, accessorize, add decorative element like plant or art piece nearby to create a balanced look. The mirror will not only reflect light but also the depth and dimension to your space. So there you have it. With just a few steps you can transform your dull corner into an eye-catching feature with mirror cutting. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and take us in your mirror corner makeover. Happy decorating guys. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.